Okay, so welcome to our next in our series of videos that we've been creating for you whilst you're out of school. This week we're going to ask you all to, when you join your clinic, to join in an audio call. That way you'll be able to listen to your teachers explain or answer anyone else's questions and obviously ask the question yourself. So on your Teams window, find the team clinic that you wish to join. And you'll notice that now in your team sort of like clinic, there's this big purple box and you can click join. Now, good practice, I'm going to ask everybody to mute themselves. If not, your teachers are going to mute you all anyway when you join. And then you press join now. So you'll notice that you're now in a call with your teachers. And you've now got a nice little sort of bar running across your screen. Now, there are two ways of joining your audio chat now. The first one is this show conversation. Now, the show conversation is going to allow you to still have a conversation with your teachers in the same way that you have been asking questions by typing. Okay, so you carry on, you type, and you send your message. Your teachers will be able to see that and obviously reply at the same time. And you'll notice that their question will pop up. Now, it might be that you want to still just share something with them, so you've got the paper clip at the bottom and you can attach from your computer any work that you've been doing that you want to share at that particular time. And if you upload the file, it'll pop it down the bottom. And again, remember to press send, and that's going to go to your teacher. Okay. Now, the whole idea of this is that sometimes it's better that you ask the question. Now, just as if you were in a regular classroom, Teams has a nice little feature called Raise Your Hand. Now, that's going to indicate to your teacher on their screen that you've raised your hand, and they'll see your name, and then they're going to ask. So they're going to ask, okay, so pupil 1, unmute yourself, what's your question? So when you're given that cue, you're going to come along here and you're going to unmute yourself and you're going to ask your question, and then your teacher might say, okay, can you remute yourself? So you carry on and you remute, okay? So you need to lower it, you've got lower hand when you're done, and you've got your unmute and mute here, and your conversation channel on the end. Now, it might be that you don't want to stay for the whole hour, okay? You might have asked your question, or if someone else asked the question for you and you were there to listen to it. If you're ready to leave, you can hang up. Your teacher, at the end of the hour that your clinic is on for, will end the meeting, so it will force everybody out at the end of the hour anyway. If you have any other questions about using the audio feature, then obviously rewatch the video, it's on the website, or email info@wilnecotehighschool.org and it will come through to the office and we can ask those questions. But remember to use your school email account to ask any questions. Thank you.